Thanks for tuning in to one of our product reviews, Women's Probiotic Essentials. Why are they important? Women's probiotics, why would we have specific, you say like, are you making this stuff up? No, we're not making it up. What we knew 20 years ago about probiotics was pretty simple. Lactobacillus, acidophilus, lactic acid producing types of probiotics. They were great for the gut. You actually receive them from dairy-based products that were fermented and so on. So we know that there was a basis, 20 years ago as to some of the benefits. What we've learned in the last 10 years is there are specific strains that have activity in specific areas of the body to a greater degree. There are certain bacteria that concentrate in the lower intestinal tract. There are certain bacteria that have a greater concentration in the midgut, up in the stomach. So we're having a greater level of sophistication. We find that two strains, in particular, the Lactobacillus rhamnosus strain, the Lactobacillus reuteri strains, have greater activity and have shown more benefit to women with chronic urogenital symptoms, chronic urinary tract infections, chronic issues with vaginitis, chronic issues with bacterial vaginitis, vaginoses, and also with overgrowth of fungus and yeast. Now, this is not a treatment for or a cure for. You may need to be on an antibiotic. You may need to be on an antifungal if there's chronicity there. What this is about is helping to keep the vaginal wall, the vaginal tract, the genitourinary area as healthy as it possibly can be, utilizing a simple approach of good bacteria that we know that concentrates in that area. So whether we discuss our respiratory essentials, which has a similar connotation, they're bacteria that have greater concentration, exhibit greater immune effect to the nasopharyngeal and the lower respiratory tract. We know we have certain probiotics that are better for antibiotic exposures. We know we have certain probiotic and strains that are better for irritable bowel syndrome and women's probiotic. These two strains have much greater activity to the urogenital tract. Women's probiotics, if you've suffered or battled or have chronic issues with all the aforementioned, this is a great product. Very specific, very localized, very concentrated type of approach. Thanks for tuning in to one of our educational videos. See you next time.